Equations, the Game of Creative Mathematics by Professor Layman E. Allen is the most popular of the resource allocation games from Games for Thinkers. It teaches basic and advanced math concepts in a way that is as fun and engaging as chess or poker. Equations inspires constant and intensive mathematical problem solving throughout the game. On every move, players must consider everything they know about arithmetic and algebraic operations and choose the most appropriate concepts to apply in finding solutions. This develops the ability for maintaining broad awareness of available resources while focusing sharply on the most relevant ideas. The game develops fundamental skills for effective decision-making in life. Equations has been extended more than any other game in the series with advanced rules, computer tutoring, and online versions. It's the game we recommend for people to start with in the series. The manual game comes with a game board, cubes, and a timer. The cubes have numerals from 0 to 9 on them, and also symbols for the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, root operation, and exponentiation. The game board has a section called the Resources section, 3 limitation areas labeled Forbidden, Permitted, and Required, and at the bottom there's a representation of an equation. One side of the equation is called the goal, the other side is called the solution. The game starts by shaking out the cubes to generate the resources. The player that shook the cubes then makes the first move of the game, which is to set a goal, by moving cubes down onto the goal line and arranging them so they express a number. For the rest of the game, players explore various solutions that can be built using the symbols available from the resources to build an expression that is equal to the goal. While using their solutions to plan strategy, players take turns making moves in the game, which involve moving cubes from the resources down into the limitation areas to put constraints on how a particular cube can be used in solutions. Any cube moved to forbidden may no longer be used in any solution. A cube moved to permitted may be used but doesn't have to be, and any cube moved to required must be used in every solution. As players make moves, everyone evaluates each move to see if it can be correctly challenged, and that is how you win the game, is by getting into a challenge and being correct. There are 3 fundamental reasons for challenging a move. You can challenge if you think that no solution is possible anymore. You can challenge if you think that you can build a solution with just one more cube from the resources section, along with those available and permitted and required. Or you can challenge if you think that a previous move had allowed a solution to be built with just one more cube from the resources section. The challenges are resolved by having the appropriate players attempt to write a solution to settle the match, and that results in scoring. Equations is like many great games in its intriguing use of strategy, bluffing, and subtle knowledge. The complexity of play depends upon the skill and sophistication of the players, so it can be played by 6-year-olds up through the most intelligent adults. It teaches arithmetic, pre-algebra, and algebraic operations at the deepest level of mastery.